Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS War of Hormones dance performance. Yeah, I've already done the reaction to War of Hormones MV, but now I'm going to react to the dance practice. They always have such fun dance practice, so I'm going to react to another one of it. So let's start reacting to this. It doesn't have the subtitles. I already know the song, so that I don't need to. I just go see the dance practice. So let's start. Let's start. Okay. I think it's Namjoon. What? What was that? Is this going to be totally funny? Yes, what is this? What is this? Is Harry with... What was that? Oh my god, seriously? Did they tell them to do whatever they wanted? It is not in the choreography. I mean, in the actual MV, they were just going around after the girl and the camera was moving with them. So it was not actually... There was just some part of choreography there, but here it's like they're doing anything they want. Okay, they're coming like line by line like in the MV, but it's hilarious. Okay. The same way. Okay, they're just exaggerating a little bit. Oh, Namjoon, what was he doing? Like really, this is going to be really hilarious. Let's see more. Oh god. Oh, good. What is this? This suddenly screaming in between the song. Okay. 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 This is the way he said he was panicking actually like that. I mean, okay, this is going to be really fun. Yeah, they're doing whatever they want. I just love the part because JK was rapping in this and it was really great. And now also I'm just loving that song. It's one of my favorites. And musically. That hello. It is just like that. I'm still gonna choose Tay only in there and in this one also. It's so cute. They had such crazy wardrobe and now they're like totally on sweats. Okay. And jeans, nice. Obviously. It's a fun choreography. What was that, man? This is just why I love seeing the dance practice because they're having so much fun while practicing. They're doing whatever they want when their turn is coming. Okay, nice. What is this? Okay. Just randomly doing this is so funny. Okay. Love this part. What? That was unnecessary, Tay. I mean, what is he doing? Really? He's gonna get it later on, most probably. Okay. That. Okay, Sugar's part. He was such a part. That is the part where he's going to. Okay. He's like, poor guy is getting hit here. Okay, save someone. Save them. Really, what is happening out there? Oh God, let him down. What is happening? He's also not giving anything. He's not giving that. This is not. This is so fun, man. This is not the choreography. This is something they are doing, really. In the middle of it. What is this? It is like totally the door there. Okay, they're going from there. Nice. What is happening out there? Hosoke has done a full improv. What is this? This is not the choreography. But I'm loving this. Whatever this is. Oh yeah. What is this? Okay. I really love this part when they come from there and then from the foundation it's looking at the camera and all. And here it is looking so funny. In the MV it was looking pretty nice. Did you hear that noise? Okay, shoe noise. Okay. Nice. Oh, did you see? He did the choreography wrong. He's like, they had to go there and he went there. I think he also got that though. Man. Look at the way, look at his expression, man. Oh God. This is good. Whoa. Okay, I won't. Okay. What are they doing? Okay, this is not in the. Okay. Look at Hosoke and Seokjin. Like, what are they doing? They're like girls jumping around, and the middle part. What is that even a choreography? This is really funny. And then the other people are like making a heart or what? I'm not understanding this. But this is funny. Oh God. This first Tay has hit Jungkook, now he's done Jimin. I think they're going to beat him up after this because here he did it on purpose without any reason. They're just hitting each other without reasons. I think RM is done with Tay now. He's like, just get away from here. Okay. But he's still going to be beaten up by Jimin and Jungkook most probably. They are doing all that soulmate stuff now though. Okay. Yeah. So, love this. I'm loving the Hosoke's improv also. Look at that. Indians would know why. Nice. It was so fun. Oh my God, he was gonna beat him up again. Tay was doing something like that again. He's going to get beaten up now. Oh, he's safe. I didn't think so. Now they're gonna beat him up, okay. Like in the MV. But this time he totally deserves it. Hosoke, he didn't do anything to Hosoke, but still he's like, let me beat him up too. Okay. this was so fun. Okay, this is totally different from the actual envy. I'm really loving this fun loving thing actually. I've never seen this kind of dance practice, but this is hilarious. Okay, if you liked my reaction to it, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. With